Hi beautiful lovelies, welcome to my channel. You are welcome back to another Cook with Steffi. If this is your first time here, I'm Stephanie and you're welcome to this space. To my returning subscribers, hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to be making this delicious yummy coconut jollof rice. You know now, I don't bring you guys the regular one. This is a party coconut rice with a twist. Let's get right into this. Welcome back. First, I'm going to be introducing the ingredients I'm going to be using for this jollof rice. Let's get right into it. That is my Maggi signature jollof spices, my seasoning cube, chopped onion, grounded crayfish, the boned and washed bala fish. That is my stock fish flakes. I've washed and cleaned them up. That is my coconut milk. That's the tin coconut milk. That's my smoked catfish. I've washed and deboned it as well. That is my tomato paste. And this is my coconut oil. I'm adding this for more flavor. If you don't want it, you can remove that. This is coconut essence. Optional as well. If you don't want it, you can remove it. So this is my tomato mix. I have habanero pepper, shombo, tatashe, and a little tomatoes here. I added more of shombo and tatashe because I want that red, like my jollof rice to be very colorful. You know that party jollof rice vibes? Yeah, that is what I want. Yeah, so this is my vegetable oil. And then this is my rice already washed. I'm using the basmati rice. So yeah, that is it. Let's get right into this cooking. Okay, so I have my protein here, which is goat meat and turkey. You can use any protein of your choice, just like I said in my coconut rice recipe. If you've not watched that video, I'll be leaving it in the description box. You need to see that coconut rice recipe. It's not your regular kind of coconut rice, okay? So yes, this is goat meat and turkey, like I said before. I have already spiced it with onion and then pepper mix, which is blended onion and habanero pepper, and then I added seasoning cube as well. So I'm going to be cooking this till 70% done. Reason because we are still going to cook this further. You're going to see how I'm going to make it, and the reason why I said we should cook it for just 70% done. I'm going to cover this and let it cook. So in another pot, I'll be adding my vegetable oil as usual, GKA groundnut oil in Nigeria. Then I'll add my coconut oil. See here, this coconut oil, like I said before, is just optional. You can skip it if you don't want to add your coconut oil. If you don't want to add coconut oil, and then I'll add my coconut essence, optional as well. Skip it if you don't want to add it or you can't find it, but if you can, please add the coconut essence. So I'll go ahead to add my chopped onion. I'll fry this for some time, like saute it for some time, and then I'll go over to add my tomato paste. I'll fry this tomato paste to take out the sour taste. Is that what it's called? Yeah, so I'll just keep frying it until until the sour taste is no longer there. See here, this jollof rice is 2 in 1. Coconut jollof rice, smoky patty jollof rice. Are you getting it? Please, if you're here to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Biko, just help this channel to keep growing and give this video a massive thumbs up, okay? So it will help YouTube to push this video further, meaning that people are liking it, okay? So our tomato paste is properly fried. When I say this bubble, I just believe my tomatoes is properly fried. So I'll go over now to add my tomato paste, my tomato mixture that I showed you guys earlier. So I'll just try and mix the tomato mixture with the tomato paste I've already fried. So I'll just mix it very well and make sure it's mixed very well. So I'll go over to like cover it and let it cook fry. Is it cook fry? Am I even right? So I'll just let this thing fry. Yeah, so this is how it's looking after about 15 minutes or so. But in between the closing, I was opening and turning it so it won't get burned. Now I'll go over to season my paste, my tomatoes. I'm using the Maggi Niger pot, yes. So I'll add the coconut milk. I'm using the tin coconut milk. You can make your own coconut milk if you can. I decided to use the tin one because I don't have the strength to start opening and processing coconut milk. So you can use any one of your choice, okay? So I added the stock meat, like the stock from my protein, the turkey and the goat meat that I showed you guys earlier. So now I'll be adding the protein. You see the reason why I said you just need to cook it for 70% done, because we're still going to cook it further. So you still have your meat in chunks, not like soggy, scattering everywhere when the rice is cooked. So I tasted for seasoning and I needed more, so that was why I'm adding another seasoning cube. I went over to add my grounded crayfish. Please add a little of those grounded crayfish, so it will, you know, crayfish overshadows food when you add much of it. So just add a little so it won't overshadow the coconut rice. I added my stock flakes, my pala fish. Sorry, I fried this pala fish. I forgot to show you guys. So you just fry it however you want it, but I just wanted it a bit dry. Yes. So I also added my smoked catfish. I didn't add this to my previous coconut rice. This is because hubby requested for it in this one. And yeah, for more flavors, I went ahead to add it. So I added my Maggi signature jollof, which I was supposed to add before now, but I forgot. While frying my tomatoes, I forgot to add it. So if you see, I've already changed my pot. My pot was smaller, so I had to like change into this one, which wasn't even big, but I think bigger than the previous one. So I'll add my coconut essence. Here is a secret to cooking jollof rice. Just add spices in a way that it will be as if it wants to overshadow the rice. Okay, it wants to overshadow your rice. But when you add your rice, everything will normalize. Do you understand? You know that one where they tell you, if they say you add small salt, if you don't pass out, that is the way you're going to add your jollof rice. You're going to add your spices, okay? So when you add your rice, it will just normalize it. So I brought this to a boil. I brought the broth, whatever it is, to a boil. And then I went ahead to add my rice. Like I said before, I'm using the basmati rice. I'm using the Sun Tropical basmati rice. So I'll just stir this very well, make sure it's mixed very, very well. And then I'll cover it and let this cook in a low heat. So after about 10 minutes, I'm going to open it and then stir. How am I going to explain? So I'll just be turning it, like I'll take the ones up down, the ones down up, because that one has kind of cooked. So this is just to help the upper part of the rice cook, like the rice should cook. The rice will cook evenly. So yeah, I'll just do that. Lift it, and make sure that those ones up are down and then the ones down are up. Yeah, so I'll cover it and let this cook for about 5 minutes or so. Then when I come back, I'm going to be using foil to cover this. The water is almost dry, but I'm going to use this foil to cover it just to trap in heat inside. This will help it cook evenly too as well. So yeah, this is what our rice is looking like. Can't you see that? Can you see this? You know now, like I told you people at the beginning of this video, I won't be bringing regular to this channel, like this Cook with Steffi channel. Like, I don't want to be bringing you guys the regular. So this is so nice. You can use any protein of your choice. I went ahead to cover it for some time again to let it cook more. Yeah, so you can use any protein of your choice, meat, chicken, anyone you prefer. But you see, this rice is a must try. This is giving the vibes of coconut rice, party jollof rice. This rice, you need to taste it. You need to make this rice. Can you see this? Can you see this? So here I'm just trying to dish out for my husband man. Yeah, so this is a must try. Okay, thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Thank you for liking my videos. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like my videos, so that YouTube will keep pushing them out. Okay, leave a comment in the comment section, and let's continue dishing this food. If you've not watched that coconut rice recipe, see, you need to go back and watch that video. That will help you understand why you need to cook this jollof one. Like, just make both of them. If you make this one this Sunday, next Sunday you make the other one. I promise you, I bet you will enjoy this recipe. Okay, thank you so much for always supporting this girl. Thank you for the love. Thank you so much. I will catch you guys in my next video. Okay, bye. Still take a look at this rice. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Bye.